Welcome back, friends. 2 days back we heard head thundering news as government announced that they are going to ban crypto usage in India. Because of this news, most of the investors got panic and sold their coins in the losses and market got crashed. So in this video we will explain about the bill which government going to pass during winter parliament and what is expert thought on this topic. So let's begin. More than 2 crore people own cryptocurrencies in India according to popular crypto exchange platform WazirX. There are total of around 15 million active subscribers are there in India and have invested around $6.6 billion in cryptocurrencies till May 2021, according to an Analytics Insight report. This saw an over 600% jump from $923 million in April 2020. At present, over 350 startups operate in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space. Now here comes the $1,000,000 question right now going in everyone's mind. Is cryptocurrency legal in India? At present, there is no legislature that covers cryptocurrency in India. However, that does not make cryptocurrency illegal in India. It simply indicates that there is no regulatory framework to safeguard cryptocurrency owners in the country. But on Tuesday, Indian government announced its plan to ban all but few private cryptocurrencies while allowing an official digital currency by the RBI. A bill called Cryptocurrency and Regulations of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 that seeks to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India will be tabled during the winter session of Parliament starting November 29. However, it allows for certain exceptions to promote the underlying technology of cryptocurrency and its usage. Though the introduction of this bill, the government's objective is to create a facilitative framework for creation of official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. But there is difference between legal in India and legal tender in India. Now we will see what is meant by cryptocurrency as a legal tender in India. The central government will not allow cryptocurrency as legal tender in India. This means that you cannot go to restaurant and have a meal and pay the cryptocurrency to that owner. Similarly, you cannot go to bank and ask for your cryptocurrency to be converted into Indian rupees. Consider another example. You want to buy a washing machine and you can't say that owner, I will pay in the bitcoins to you and you can issue a washing machine to me. Only few countries including El Salvador has accepted cryptocurrency as a legal tender so far. Government mentioned that they will prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India and there is no clear note regarding what is meant by private cryptocurrencies. But what is meant by public and private cryptocurrency? Although the definition of what exactly constitutes as private cryptocurrency has not yet been clarified by the central government yet, it is likely that Bitcoin, Ethereum and other crypto tokens of the sort won't be banned since these are based on the public blockchain network, which means transactions made using these networks are traceable while still providing a degree of anonymity to users. Private cryptocurrency, on the other hand, could refer to Monero, Dash, and the likes, which, although built on public blockchains, conceal the transaction information to offer privacy to the users. While Bitcoin offers anonymity, Monero offers privacy and hence a private token. What we know about the cryptocurrency bill so far? Crypto experts are hopeful that the government will not opt for a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies in India. The center may recognize it as an asset like real estate, stocks, or gold. Then the government will levy capital gains tax on any profits made after selling cryptocurrencies. As currently users is not paying any tax, which is loss of the government. Now the next important question. If they ban, what to do? If suppose worst case government going to ban the cryptocurrency in India, then it won't happen overnight like demonetization. As around 8% overall Indian population are active users in crypto market. And this leads to deflation as 75,000 crore Indian rupees are rotating in crypto market and it will impact the economy. So government will give some timeline to sell their coins and move out from the exchanges. Maybe around 3 to 6 months if suppose they are banning. But here is the bottom line. Government mentioned that they will prohibit all private cryptocurrencies in India. As per the government notification, it is not clear about what they mentioned as private cryptocurrencies. Seems that the government objective is to create a facilitative framework for the creation of official digital currency to be issued by Reserve Bank of India. So that's all in this video. If you have any doubts, then do let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to answer all those. Thanks for watching.